Here's a little shot of insight into number 22. This has power to a power to a power inside. Oh, it's so fun to unwrap this one. My suggestion, work from the inside out. I'm going to deal with this baby first, this 4v cubed to the second power. And what it means to square something is to I'm going to do my side work over here. That means I multiply it times itself. So that's 4v cubed times 4v cubed. So inside now is 16v to the 6th. Okay, let's put a little arrow here that says I'm working this way. So that is really 16v to the 6th times 4v to the 4th, all squared. And I'm going to combine now, instead of squaring something like I did before, I'm going to combine them in here. This is now 16 times 4, which is 64. And v to the 6th times v to the 4th is v to the 10th. That is all still squared. Man, 64 squared, I know it's going to end in a 6, but I'm going to need my calculator for that. Or, I've already done it. I've seen this as 4,096, and I check the answer key. V to the power to a power here means v to the 10th squared means v to the 10th times v to the 10th. That is v to the 20th. 4,096 v to the 20th. Now, I'm going to be bold again and kind of invite you to try something a little different and stretch your thinking a little bit by keeping 4s. I see a lot of 4s here. They're going to be common. So I'm going to deal with this one like I did in the first part of this video. But instead of making it 4 squared, 16, I'm going to make it 4 squared times v to the 6th. I'm just going to keep that 4 there, times 4v to the 4th. Still going to combine the inside here, but I'm going to just keep the 4s. 4 squared times 4 to the 1st is 4 cubed. And now I'll deal with the v's. V to the 6th times v to the 4th. Oh, I had that before. That's v to the 10th. That is still all squared. Now, behold, 4 cubed squared. Let's do a little side work here. So I'll really take, I can distribute that exponent because it's 4, that coefficient is going to be squared, and this variable to the 10th is going to be squared. That's going to be 4 to the 6th. If in doubt, write it out, try it. V to the 20th. 4 to the 6th is something that I could do by hand. That's also 16 to the 3rd. Try that out. But I think that's also going to be 4,096 V to the 20th. So this is just kind of an invitation as one of your future algebra or algebra 2 teachers to be pretty flexible. And one of the ways to be flexible and to gain some confidence in mathematics is to play around with these exponent rules. You can never break them, but you can use them and use some of the properties in your favor so that you can go quickly to an answer and keep numbers low as best